Hello friend, welcome to JTech. Today this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a channel on your WhatsApps. As you all know that WhatsApp's release is a new feature like Telegram. The user can also create his channel on the WhatsApp too. So before starting my video, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe it first and press the bell icon button for upcoming videos. So let's start today's topic. Firstly, if you are an iPhone user, go to your app stores, and if you are an Android user, go to your Play Store, and in the search bar type here WhatsApp, and make sure that your application is fully updated or not. If it is required update, please update it first and then go back. Now open your WhatsApp, and down the bottom you can see four options: chat, updates, community and calls. Simply tap at updates. Now appears my screen, you can see channels. These are the channels that you are liked. Now if you want to create your own channel, simply tap at the plus sign. Now appears my screen, you can see create channel. Tap at create channel. Now read the instructions and tap at continue. Now enter your channel name. For example, I'm giving a JoyTech. Select your picture. And down the bottom, type your description. And tap at create channel. Like this, you can easily create your own channel at your WhatsApps. I hope that you like this video. If you do like so, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.